So this is 264 East Bailey Road building, and this building over there in the upper left, second floor, European second floor, is apartment J. This is the parking lot, and we have one garage over there that way, and this is Doki's car here. This is a dumpster, and this is the entrance here. And I will show you now how the apartment looks like after renovation. So you're entering inside. You have the mailboxes here. This door is usually locked, but today is unlocked. Over there on the right, there is a laundry room. So every floor has 4 apartments, and we literally on the second floor, but this is in the United States considered to be first floor. This apartment L and this apartment J. Now we are entering into J. And this is the living room. This is the new flooring that has been done. The balcony from the second floor. This is the way it looks like now when everything is fixed and renovated. The kitchen contains a brand new fridge and a brand new gas stove. This is the fridge. There is some kimchi there that I haven't thrown away. This is a new gas stove that we had some issues fixing it. The new wallpaper. You see, this is actually wallpaper, the white one, and the one in 3 colors is a wallpaper. The sink doesn't have anything new. Actually, the dishwasher is old, but has never been used. And this area here contains a washer and dryer. You know, like in Saudi Arabia, the same type. Washer and a dryer is here. This AC doesn't work, but doesn't matter. So this is the heating system here. It heats really well at night in winter. And this is a new bifolding door. This is a closet. This is a closet here. This is called the American closet. This is one of the toilets. There is a brand new sink, no brand new sink, but brand new faucet there, the black one. Then you proceed in this hallway further down. You reach a second toilet, which is actually full bathroom. The faucets, shower are new. The faucet here and the sink is new. This is a new toilet. It has been previously molded and really been in bad shape. Now it's a brand new. This is a small bedroom here. Small bedroom. And this is a closet here. This closet can be opened up. Here used to be my dad's room before. This is the closet. And if you proceed this way to the right, it's a master bedroom. This master bedroom is very nice. The AC works. There is a ceiling fan here. And these are 3 new bifolding doors, which is actually a closet. Again, American closet. I hid some things here. I hid some things there. That's it. Yeah, so that's how it looks like.